and only everybody. Sigaw natin, first one!
Alright, thank you so much for that powerful performance. Please greet our audience officially.
One of one,
Go beyond, we are first one! Thank you. Siyempre, hindi natin kailangan i-introduce ng isa-isa kasi I've introduced yourself kanina sa introduction nyo. Pero, kamusta naman po kayo? Paalam na. Bakit paalam na ang kanta nyo? Anong mensahe ng kanta? Maraming tanong, sorry.
Paalam na sa maraming bagay na nagiging hadlang sa ating pag-grow. Paalam na rin sa mahihirap na pagsubok na pilit tayong pinipigilan. And of course, paalam na para makapagsimula ng panibagong daan.
Okay. Paalam na sa...
Emote yan, emote.
Emoted. Okay. Ang ganda nun. Okay, pero kayo po, I have introduced that you're making a strong and powerful comeback with your Paalam Na song. I just want you guys to give some message to Three-Way as well, as they will be welcoming Filipino member for their Three-Way K-pop group. So, can you give like advice as one of the, I should say, best P-pop group? One of the best P-pop group that I know, first one?
일단 Three-Way 친구들은 backstage에서
Wait lang. Trabaho yan sa akin. Kasi mag-translate ako.
sorry.
Ikaw mo na mag-translate.
Ano, for Three-Way lang, for Three-Way.
For Three-Way, sige.
Special message, special.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
일단 backstage에 있는 Three-Way 친구들은 처음 뵀는데 너무나 반가웠고요. 앞으로도 계속 응원하고 화이팅 해줄 수 있으면 좋겠습니다.
Ang sabi niya, okay, hindi, wait lang. Mukha namang naintindihan niya eh. Kasi kinausap niya yung mga tao na parang alam niya. Okay, can you please explain?
What Ace said is that good luck on your new journey and stay focused and keep striving.
Galing mo. Tama? Ace, tama?
85%.
85%.
Wala kasi yung alam ko po nasa backstage kayo.
Wala yung backstage.
Okay. Galing mo ha?
Sige po, chamba lang, chamba.
Chamba. Ayan. Paalam na. Chamba. Okay. So I would like to ask you guys if you guys have any songs or how can our audience see you in next activities probably?
Hi everyone, we're First One, so we just performed our latest single called Paalam Na, so you can always check it out sa Spotify for audio and for lyric video, you can always watch it sa YouTube. So please stream Paalam Na. Thank you so much.
And also, kung nakita niyo po kanina, yung sayaw po na chorus yun, please do the challenge, Paalam Na challenge. Kung meron kayo mga TikTok kahit sobrang, kahit hindi nyo po galingan o kahit galingan nyo, okay, ma-appreciate po namin yan. So yun po, advance, thank you po sa
5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Sabi mo dito lang. Hindi kasama yung stage.
Hindi po kasi namin nagamit.
Pero merong guys, may easy version yung TikTok ng bata.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Alam na sa ating dalawa. Alam na. Niloloko mo
Make some
kami.
noise once again for First One! Hindi ka na. Okay, pero jokes aside, please support one of our P-pop groups, First One, in different music streaming platforms as well. And please stream their latest song, Paalam Na. And of course, their different kinds of music videos that I've witnessed. They're super nice, so please watch them on their YouTube channel. Thank you so much, First One, for dropping by for Three-Way.
One of one.
Go beyond, we are First One!
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much for Make some noise for First One!